Okay guys, so I just finished an amazing event here at the Cahill Rec Center. It was Junifae, hosted by a really good friend of mine. This was so much fun. I did come late, about 2 hours late. The event was supposed to go from noon, I think, to 6, and I had to work until 3:30. So I essentially got off work at 3:30 and came straight here. And then, so I was here from 4 to 6. Essentially is what I got to see. I didn't get to do any of the painting. I got to do some swimming, and then we got to see the painting model do a drag performance. So that was a lot of fun. I don't really know what kind of footage I got of the swimming yet. My water camera, my Sea Life camera did die partway through. So whatever I have, I will include, and including the event at the end. I didn't get any of the vendors. I knew that I was a little bit on a time crunch, so I wanted to get in the water and test out my new tail. So let's get into all of the things that I saw today. So that was it. That was the whole event. It was a lot of fun. I wish I would have gotten more video of the vendors and the venue because it's really cool. They did have the children's pool, like the kiddie splash area was shut down. Something with like a power outage earlier this week, which was fine. But it was so much fun. I had a blast. I cannot wait to come back. I love this pool. It's really great because it starts off shallow and then it does go to like 8-ish feet deep. So that made for a lot of fun swimming. I still don't know if I'm keeping this tail or not. I don't know if I said it at the beginning of the video or not, but this tail is kind of like on thin ice with me. It's in like a gray area. It's really beautiful and I do want to keep it, but it's one of the older tails that Finfolk makes. So the waist does not come up to my natural waist, it comes to my hips. And being a bigger person, I want that extra bit of fabric that comes up to my natural waist. Also, I was having a little bit of trouble with the insert. It was digging into my ankles a little bit. And I know that I can cut that back, but if I don't want to keep the tail and I do want to rehome it, I don't want to cut the vinyl because I want someone else to be able to have that and have that option to trim it if they need to. So, I don't really know. But the event was amazing. Tail, meh, not so much, maybe. But it was so much fun. I absolutely can't wait to come back. Bye! Sydney is also not here to say like and subscribe, so like and subscribe, and bye YouTube!